In this video, I'm about to compare Phind and Perplexity AI. Phind and Perplexity AI are two innovative conversational AI platforms, each with unique strengths and applications. Phind is designed to assist users with complex queries, providing a search engine-like experience combined with conversational AI capabilities. It excels in helping users find specific information quickly by aggregating data from various sources. The pros of Phind include its ability to deliver precise, context-aware answers and support for various query types, including technical and niche topics. However, its cons include limitation in generating creative content and tendency to prioritize search functionally over conversational engagement. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, focuses on delivering precise answers through an interactive interface. It offers real-time responses by leveraging multiple data sources and allows users to refine their question for follow-up answers. Perplexity AI also cites sources for verification, enhancing trustworthiness. The pros of Perplexity AI include fast and accurate responses, an engaging querying experience, and reliable sourcing. However, its cons are limited creative capabilities and challenges with complex or nuanced conversations. Perplexity AI offers two pricing plans, including a free plan and professional plan at $20. In my opinion, Phind is the best user seeking quick, specific information across a wide range of topics, while Perplexity AI is ideal for those looking precise answers with a focus on verification and user interactions. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.